In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front bumper cover on your INFINITI G35. Remove the three 10mm bolts. And pull the fender liner from the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. Our car is missing the engine splash shield, but to take the bumper off, you're just going to need to take out these front bolts and pull the bumper away from the engine splash shield. There's a Phillips head screw holding this plate locator on. I'm going to be using an impact driver and a Phillips bit. If you can't remove the Phillips head screw, you can use a 22mm wrench and loosen the pole that the plate is sitting on. And remove it from the car. To remove the side marker, we're going to pull out on the back, and then you should have to pull back and release the tab. I'm going to pull the markers off, push down on the little tab for the connector, and remove it from the light. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the clips on either side of the bumper corners, and then remove all the clips on top of the grille. Pull back the fender liner, and inside of there will be one 10mm bolt right here. Remove that. And then do the same thing on the other side. Pull on the corner of the bumper and pull forward. And do the same thing on the other side. Pull the corner out, and then we can pull our bumper straight forward and off the car. Just slide the bumper back onto the car. Install the 10mm screw through the bottom of the bumper, back into that little plastic insert. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the connector into the side marker, and install that into the bracket. It'll clip into place. Do the same thing on the other side. Install these three 10mm bolts back into the bumper. If you have it, reinstall your skid plate now. Install the clips into the corners of the bumpers, and then install all the clips for the grille. Our car only has one of each. There should be 4 on top of the grille, and then 1 for each side of the bumper. Install the plate locator through the bumper. And using a wrench, we're going to snug it back down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.